Hi everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to sew a button onto a garment using the Brother A16 sewing machine. Measure the distance between the holes in the button to be attached. Raise the presser foot lever and slide the feed dock selector positioned at the back of the machine to the left as seen from the rear of the machine. Attach the button fitting foot M. Select the correct stitch. Adjust the stitch width so that it is the same as the distance between the holes in the button. Place the button in the position where it will be sewn and lower the presser foot. Turn the hand wheel towards you counterclockwise to check that the needle correctly goes into the two holes of the button. At a slow speed, sew about 10 stitches. Use scissors to cut the upper thread and the bobbin thread at the beginning of the stitching. To secure your button, pull the upper thread at the end of the stitching to the wrong side of the fabric and tie a knot with the bobbin thread. For more information on the Brother A16 and A150 sewing machine promotion, the product brochures, or to locate and contact your closest dealer, simply visit www.runco.co.za.